Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about how to off this name password setting in your Vivo phone. Guys, you want to off guys this name password setting, so guys you can off. And guys, now let's see how to off this name password in Vivo phone. In this video guys, I will show you guys how can you off this name password. And guys, you want to remove, you want to delete this name password, so guys you can. So friend, first of all, come in your phone setting to remove this name password. And guys, scroll it and guys click on this security setting and guys scroll and guys click on screen lock and guys enter your password which you have now current and guys click on this no one and swipe option. Guys, you can choose anyone, so we will click on this swipe and guys delete. So as you can see guys, we don't have any name password in our Vivo phone. So I hope friends you have understood how to remove name password in Vivo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before going, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.